yard this water around, you know. Viewers and subscribers. I know yard this look like a river, you know. And if you don't realize a yard this around here, come off of the road. Oh. Check the level, like. Oh. This I don't really say I blame it for no work, but I just block the thing block, but I just clean it and clean. Yeah, but I just block the drain block up, so I just clean it and clean. Because this from the roads start to work, but you know what I say, but they don't really clean or draining again and then something there, you know. No, the draining not really clean again. So the work man, they not do anything pertaining to the drain is not done. No job. Say water. We get some good rain now because from morning the amount of rain will fall. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the weather. The weather vlog. Yo, me I tell you. So we are going to see, we are going to take a walk, take a stroll, see how the work that them perform, how it stand out, so far, because from the work I go on, here we get a little rain, but this is the first we get really a good amount of rain. First we get a good amount of rain. So we are going to see what the work for them to stand out, you know? I want to see the asphalt done, so you know they've done good work. Which was said at them responses from Trinityville to Cedar Valley, and they've done good work, so we just hope with everything just alright, you know. I know heat cup in the night, so let us take a stroll now and see what go on. Bless up! So when we say water flow in a drain, this we are talking about. Yeah! This we are talking about. So water is stay in a drain and move, now you chop. Yes. So you know this is our key this. So you know this is the task and then you've done good work. Yeah, but you know nobody not perfect, so you even get a look at one. Nobody not perfect. Water moving a tree. Properly done. River put on in khaki soup, but that's not nothing to eat yet. That's not nothing as yet, viewers. I'm telling you, I'm not saying nothing as yet. Not even the quarter of that, when that really get cross, angry and miserable. That is not even the quarter of this river. We still are showing because later on it can get cross, angry and miserable. But anyway, as I see you now, we still calm steering, man. Come. Water now, edge. So, Bolly move water. They step in that and stone all come down in that ankle. Yeah. So the water now each look on the road. You see the water up on the road? Everything gone. Everything gone. So you know when the road will construct good. But the water head down in the gully. Then the way I talk about. The thumbs up to cement and asphalt now. Yeah. Thumbs up man. See it? That's the water to go. And take away itself. Not to stay up on the road. See my viewers, water not to stay up on the road. Move. Them place are now, viewers, we tell you what's wrong with them place. Them place are just want maintain, cause this are now pertaining to no work, no cement work, and them can just clean this place, just want clean. You just want somebody to just come clean this place, then just send somebody to clean this place so that the water can get removed. But just black up, you know. Just black up. Because lack of maintenance. Just that, just black up. You understand me? I say, viewers, just black up. So I just maintain, if the thing you maintain, this eventually I go happen, viewers. Yeah? If you don't maintain, this is what I go happen. Then something I go happen, viewers, and something. So as you say, we get a whole heap of rain from the other day and lots of rain. Rain like whoa. So through the place them black, they now maintain. This is the result of it. I know me and them. This is the boss put on one next suit of clothes. Yeah, one next suit of clothes he put on. Remember me they shown earlier on say he didn't get cross and miserable yet. He kinda get cross now. Because he put on one next stripe on him khaki. Yeah, what the boss put on the next stripes and so him staying up viewers. You see me? Yes, up. Yeah, the boss put on the next suit of clothes, man. So when him get cross, I saw him start to look, him start to smell too. And when he start to smell, you know, a cross, him get cross and crosser. So we would not advise somebody to cross it right now. Nobody can cross it. Only me and you, anybody, nobody can cross it. Hey, cha-cha. Yo, Mr. Viewers, I get some good rain from the other day. I don't know about phone side, but on center my side here. Warm here, man. It's a dirt, you know. The water get on the dirt. You see me? So after this rain settle on, you know, we have some whole heap of little work need to check up in hand. You understand me I say? As you can see the water move off of the road. But through this black up, now I have no way to go. Because if you look on the water, If you look on the water, you can see it a move, no? Yeah, it a move, but as we said, true, there's a black up arm now if you go. Good rain we get, man. So if the work no stand out good, this rain I go show it up, this rain I go spoil it up from early, so the work have to done in a good way in order to survive this rain here. So it's the road stand up though. Yeah, the road stand up. Nothing wrong with the road, it stand up. This gully here, as you can see, they won't work on this gully because them talk there already said how this will work on this gully. I just done it, not done it. But this gully is a serious gully, you know, somebody lose them life right here so already. By the same gully here, when they come down, you wash for somebody, they and wash them down there so. You understand? Down if the person to wash and end up in the river. You understand me viewers so? So, this gully here, you know, I'll take up in on. This is the next place a block again. They lead up on lack of maintenance, lack of somebody who are maintaining it. Black is black, you know? Black is black. So it's still a lead up on maintain. Nobody in this place now maintain. And you expect the road to last 20 and 30 years, right? 5 or 6 years. It can't last. And now nobody are maintaining. It can't last. You can buy a new brand vehicle and you now maintain it. It will pack up. Short. Now go far. Even yourself. You know, take care of yourself and maintain yourself, your body will deteriorate fast. So that's what the pay shorter right now, so maintenance work. Yeah. So maybe I just show you some damage where the rain has done, because as we say we are getting a lot of rain from the other day. I talk about some good rain, not joke rain. So we just show you something what the rain has done. What about phone side? You understand? So it is a good thing that the road it start work on. Yes, so it is a good thing that the road it start work on and then do some put in some culvert and some water move and some thing to get time, maybe to the worst. Yeah, it's a good thing to work when them work on the road and put in some new culvert and do some new drain and then something there. Yeah, to the worst. So I have to still give thanks to them done some work on it. Because normally the place is black sometimes. When you hear the rain fall, the place is black. Yeah, so big up on yourself in the viewers. So my viewers will come a little closer. You can see what go on with a half badness system of truck here now when you're not fully body. No, I'm not fully body. It's a half badness. When I'm fully body sick, I can't stand up nowhere so when I stand up. And when it's normal, it's when it's normal viewers, and we up there side there, it's that amount there. So the whole of your stuff I extend I want to put on here now. I want to put on, the whole of the come out there, so this is what I put on. Time part is I put on. But in calm, and you can walk in there, and we up there side there. So it put the same half body now. Yeah man, nigga river in a Trinityville, you know what I say? Yeah man, the river here, hey, when him mad, me I tell you say mad. So we're just showing us how we get a whole heap of rain from the other day. So, you know, we're just showing us something what the rain go on with in Trinityville, St. Thomas. Not really much danger, just, you know, normal little thing. So we still have to give thanks and praise because it could be worse. So what about your side? What about your side when you come from viewers? When you get rain? How the place live up? How it stand up? Alright, let's hope everybody alright, you know. Yeah, man, so hopefully everybody alright, man. Yeah, man, and then go down the viewers. Yeah. And now I go too close, man. I don't yourself. So viewers, that's it, you know. Now the rainy time in St. Thomas, we show now we giving out there, I couldn't see what I want. The road stand up so far, it don't look bad. So it's a little minor thing with the road, you know. Yeah, there's some little thing, you know, like some places, you know, I just really the maintenance part on the road really want upgrade, you know, the maintenance, somebody to maintain the road so that the place is not block up again and the place them, you know what I say, but that doesn't look a minor thing, not major to really make a fuss over. So we say give thanks and praise to that. Big up cement and asphalt, if them never do a lot of work around here, so maybe the road would have blocked. So we have to still give them credit for that. You see me viewers? So now that we come to the end of another rainy video, rainy time in St. Thomas. Hope you all enjoyed. See you people in the next video, you know, safe travel on the gravel. I'm out.